Unveiling the mystery of quiet tone in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, quiet tone. Understanding such phrases is crucial for effective communication and can add a layer of subtlety to your conversations. So, let's dive in and explore the nuances of this interesting phrase. When we refer to a quiet tone, we're talking about more than just a low volume. It encompasses the idea of a gentle, soft, or subdued manner of speaking. It's not just about speaking softly, but also about the emotion and the intent behind the way we speak. A quiet tone can convey politeness, calmness, or a desire not to attract attention. Understanding when and how to use a quiet tone is important. It's often used in situations where one needs to be respectful, such as in a library, during a solemn occasion, or when trying not to disturb others. It can also be a sign of confidentiality, showing that what's being said should not be heard by everyone. Communication isn't just about the words we use. It's also about how we say them. The tone of our voice carries a lot of information. A quiet tone can express sincerity, concern, or thoughtfulness. It can also help in de-escalating tense situations. Being aware of your tone, including your volume and emotional undertone, is a key part of being a good communicator. To master the use of a quiet tone, here are some tips. 1. Listen to others. Pay attention to how people use a quiet tone in different contexts. 2. Record yourself. Try recording your voice and listen to see if you can convey a message in a quiet tone effectively. 3. Mimic repractice. Try to mimic the quiet tone you hear in conversations or on TV shows. That's all on the phrase, quiet tone. I hope this video has shed light on how a simple change in volume and softness can impact your communication in English. Keep practicing. And don't forget the power of a quiet tone in expressing different emotions and situations. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.